Epi Info Companion for Android allows users to transfer forms to a mobile device and collect data remotely. The mobile application is compatible with Android tablets and phones running Android version 4.0 and above. The ability to load Epi Info forms onto a mobile device allows users to collect data in places lacking information technology infrastructure and for activities that could benefit from mobility, information technology, GPS tracking, or photographic capabilities. Once data is collected, users can perform simple analysis with the Analyse data function or view geographical data using built-in mapping function. These tools do not contain the full Epi Info functionality. However, data can be transferred from the mobile device to a PC for more complex analysis. The mobile application also contains a full-featured StatCalc function, similar to the one found on Epi Info for PC. Now, if you want to learn more about this awesome tool, which you can use on your mobile phone, then subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell icon so that you get notified when more videos like this are released. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.